everyone! Today I'm going to show you guys my blowout using the Dyson Supersonic blow dryer. As always, it's best to start off with freshly washed hair, and I use an oil to lock in the moisture of the conditioner that I've used. Then it's time to detangle because there's no perfect blowout without good detangling. So I use the wet hairbrush for that. This is from their texture line, and I have to say I do really like it. After the detangling process, it's time to do the work. So, as a lot of you may already know, I am in love with my blow dryer, which is from Dyson. It is the Supersonic blow dryer. And it's actually the first hair dryer with a built-in heat protector to protect your hair from extreme damage. What I love most about this blow dryer is that it's not about the amount of heat that you use. It's about the amount or the power of the blow, so the actual blow of the blow dryer. So as you guys already can see, my hair dries so quickly using this blow dryer, and my brush goes through it like a dream. Another good thing about this blow dryer is that it's super lightweight. I compared it to my old blow dryer like a couple of days ago, and I really noticed a difference. You know how it feels when you do a wash and go, and after 5 to 10 minutes you're like, I'm done because my arms, no bueno. Well, this one is so lightweight because the motor is actually in the handle, so it's not on top, which makes it normally very heavy. The best way to end your blow dry is always to use the cool temperature. Why? This closes the cuticles and that gives it extra shine, but also cools off your hair, which is always a good feeling. So I got rid of the nozzle and I put it on the cool setting to blow dry. Give it a last blow, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.